Now having given you an ample proof that artificial intelligence will take human labor, I hope my now short-sighted opponent, they will agree that artificial intelligence will definitely lead to mass unemployment. Thank you.
But I would like to change the perspective of the opposition bench and let them see that the world is bigger than what the ant sees. For the ant, it's just collecting food and going back to its burrow. But we are humans, we need to see beyond it.
The R.R. Thomas Inter-College Debate Competition on the theme Artificial Intelligence Will Lead to Mass Unemployment was held on the 20th July 2022 by the Meghalaya College Teachers Association at the Conference Hall of St. Anthony's College. Mr. Tarun Bhartiyav presided over the competition as the speaker, while Dr. J. Oscar Dahar of MSU and Mrs. Mondakini Basu, retired faculty of the English Department, St. Anthony's College, were the judges at the competition. The program was started by a welcome speech delivered by Sir S.K. Pradhan and felicitation of the judges by Dr. B.H. Buam, President MCTA, in the presence of the MCTA members, faculty of the college, participants from St. Anthony's College, St. Edmund's College, Shillong Commerce, Synod College, Women's College, St. Mary's College and BBS College. Throwing open to the debate competition, Dr. Buam put forward a question: can artificial intelligence replace human mind?
Intelligence? It's being spoken of, and it is changing the world. It is changing the world in the sense, if we talk about what it is, what is our opinion, what is it understood, it is like we are trying to, to use the word that mimicking the human intelligence. Now, but the question that arises is, can a human mind and a human intelligence be replaced? There are threats that, what will happen to each one of us? What will happen to the human resources? What will happen to the young ones? That is one perception that is just circulating. There is another the theme here which says it will lead to mass unemployment. The reason is there is a propaganda or there is a statement of a fact that, AI will take on, it will throw away, it will take on the jobs. But that is why we are in for a very interesting debate. And also, the points that you will be sharing, you will be articulating, will be insightful for each one of us. I do not know whether it's a winning motion or a losing motion, but the fact I know is that our children will stand here, will articulate their thoughts, their perception, to also showcase that argumentative mind. And on that note, I wish you all the best, and for each one of us here, let us be audience who listen patiently, because we have something to take away when we leave this hall. So the motion, artificial intelligence will lead to mass unemployment. Thank you.
At the end of the heated argument among the participants of the debate, Theodora Pingroop and Riddhi Sharma of St. Anthony's College were adjudged best team and winners of the competition, followed by Aipor Babha Marbo and Mon Momidikar of St. Anthony's of Shillong College in the first runners-up position, and second runners-up position was secured by Saurav Timsina and Shakshi Bujel of BBS College. And Shakshi Bujel was adjudged the best speaker in the competition.
College students is a very important theme. It's always on our minds. And we all know the popular choices for employment. You can either be a doctor or an engineer. You can be a lawyer. You can, perhaps, if those don't work, get a government job. And if things get really desperate, become a college teacher. That's just a joke. I'm so sorry. I had to do that. It's being held by the MCTA. It's just a little dig at you. I have lots of respect for college teachers. I just like to make that clear. But coming to artificial intelligence, AI has been in our collective consciousness for quite some time. But the truth is,
like the founder of Alibana, Jack Ma, he once says that artificial intelligence was going to kill jobs because in the future, these jobs will be done by machine. There is a possibilities because of this, that millions of people, they will face unemployment in the next few decades. Now having given you an ample proof that artificial intelligence will take human labor, I hope my now short-sighted opponent, they will agree that artificial intelligence will definitely lead to mass unemployment. Thank you.
So, because of that, Agnipat scheme or the tour of duty scheme has been released, which is only for 4 years for any citizens of India. They can join the scheme for 4 years, and it will include less salary, no pension, and they can buy and invest in many AI technologies coming forward in the world. So that is all from me. Thank you.
We will have no jobs. Why is this fear-mongering kind of a situation presented by the opposition bench? I will not raise my voice, respected speaker, and I will not create a situation like this to put forward my point, but I would like to change the perspective of the opposition bench and let them see that the world is bigger than what the ant sees. For the ant, it's just collecting food and going back to its burrow. But we are humans, we need to see beyond it. A caveman, let's start from the early human beings. A caveman thought that, what would a caveman know about career? What would a caveman know about artificial intelligence? As we progressed from a caveman to a hunter-gatherer, then to a pasturer, and then to a farmer, industrialist, now we are the ones developing artificial intelligence. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We look at the smaller picture and we are terrified, oh my god, what will happen if artificial intelligence takes over us? Let me remind you, 20-30 years ago, we, in such a room, there were a group of people discussing what will happen when computers take over us. They were terrified. Computers will come over and we will be left jobless. Calculators will be used. All these things will replace us. I want to ask, has the computer replaced human beings yet? They have. To be done by human beings. We have to go beyond that. We have to look at the different layers of intellect that we have, and now is the time. Now is the time to look beyond all these menial jobs of working like a calculator, going to job and earning money and everything else. Imperishable. We have a natural intelligence given to us by the God. Look at the world around you. It is the natural intelligence, and intelligence that has been given to us to use it. Humans will always be superior to artificial intelligence. I take my stance. Thank you, Speaker.